Hello world, welcome to SG's ArtFusion, and today I will be creating this. So let's get started. For this DIY you will need fabric dye and dye fix, fabric bleach, hydrogen peroxide, some fine tip bottles, rubber bands and gloves and napkin. We will start by twisting our damp t-shirt. I have selected the classic swirl design for my tie-dye t-shirt, but you can choose any design of your choice. As you keep twisting the t-shirt, make sure to define those folds properly. I am using a black colored t-shirt for my reverse tie-dye, but you can use any other dark colored t-shirt of your choice. Once you are done twisting the t-shirt, secure the folds using rubber bands. You can make more or less partitions based on the size of the t-shirt. Once the t-shirt is tied, it is time to mix the bleach. Here, I have kept the ratio of bleach and water 1:1. Give it a good mix and now we are ready to bleach the t-shirt. I have divided my t-shirt into 8 parts and I will be applying the bleach into the alternate partitions. Make sure you cover each part of the t-shirt with bleach nicely. Once you are done with one side, repeat the same process on the other side of the t-shirt. While you flip the t-shirt, make sure to clean the surface with a napkin. Once you are done with the bleaching of the t-shirt, let the t-shirt rest for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now, wash the t-shirt thoroughly. Now, before coloring the t-shirt, it is necessary to neutralize the bleach, and for that we will be using a solution of hydrogen peroxide and water. Here, I have added about 10 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide to per liter of water. While the t-shirt is resting, let us prepare our colors. I am using powdered dye, but you can also use the pre-mixed dyes available in the market. Add the powder into the fine tip bottle and fill it up with water and give it a good mix. Now we are ready to color our t-shirt. I will be using the colors red and green alternatively for 4 parts of the t-shirt. Once done with one side, repeat the same process on the other side just like we did with the bleach. Also, don't forget to clean the surface before flipping the t-shirt. Once you are done with both the sides, keep the t-shirt aside for about 4 to 5 hours. Now it's time to fix the dye. Once again, wash the t-shirt thoroughly before putting it into the dye fix solution. Instead of using dye fix, you can also use salt as a dye fastener. Let it sit in the solution for about 10 to 15 minutes and then wash. And here is our reverse tie-dye t-shirt ready. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.